In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily update Google Play Store app on an Android phone. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Play Store app. Then tap right here at that icon, and here select Settings. At the settings, tap at About to expand it, and then drag it up to go down. And here, if you have any Play Store updates, you will see this Update Play Store link. And now we need just to tap on it to get the latest Play Store app version. As you can see, currently I have the latest one, so we can just hit at Got it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.